Well, video never does anything justice. But holy crap, the rocky slide up Richards is it's gotten crazy bad. I mean, holy hell. It's been a couple years since I've been through here. But whoo, that's down to the river. There's no flat area through here to even get a bike through. Holy crap, this has gotten washed out so bad. Crazy. Look at these ledges. Well, let's see what we do. Put some rocks down in the gully to help get up this side if you choose. Stack some logs to go through here now. I think just go right through here. And then I busted this piece off here and moved it out of the way. So now it's a nice turn right through there. Up and over these logs. And down Richards. Well, I'm just sitting up here with the water in Richards because it is so nice and cool. Whew, it's just all shady. See the thing behind me here, trees and rock, moss. It's nice and shady, nice and cool. Good place to hang out for a little bit in the afternoon when it's super hot down in the valley. Tried Richards by myself solo. That one section with the ledge, the slide off. I called it by myself solo. It's just too risky. So I came up here, I did a little maintenance through here, put a couple logs to help get through here, and stacked a couple rocks where people have been chewing the hell out of the trail. So nice and cool though, still hot, but it's way better up here. There's no breeze. God, if there was a breeze coming through here, it'd be perfect. But anyway, good therapy nonetheless. Get out and ride, always good for the soul.